Welcome to this lightingsupply.com product detail video. Today, we will be looking at the BJB Fluorescent Non-Shunted socket snap-in for mid-Bipin T8 lamps. These sockets can serve as a replacement for TCP Tbay fixtures or the EL4SA Elite series. With a 15th 16-inch mounting height, these snap-in sockets have a Bipin G13 base and are suitable for use with fluorescent T8, T10, and T12 medium Bipin G13 lamp types. CUL certified, these sockets have a max wattage of 660 watts and a voltage range of 120 to 277 volts. You can order these sockets from BJB and hundreds of thousands of other lighting products at lightingsupply.com. And be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.